Hi guys. Well, it's Saturday morning. It's been a busy week this week. I've had so much going on. Insurance for my car. We should talk about this actually. Always, when it comes to the end of your insurance, always, for goodness sake, price around. Here's the thing I've done. I'm with Hastings, I think it is, and they sent me a letter or an email saying, okay, your insurance is running out, blah, blah, blah. And then they sent me out a letter telling me how much it's going to be for next month. Now, it was going to be more than what I've already been paying for the past year, which is normally the case. However, whenever I went online to one of the compare sites, Compare NI, the same company were offering my insurance again, but lower than what the renew quote was. So I phoned them up and says, listen, I want to cancel. What I was tending to do was just cancel my insurance and go to the new insurance with the same company, which would have been cheaper. Whenever I phoned up though, they were just like, nah, we'll take it down to $19.99 or whatever it was a month. So I'm now getting even cheaper insurance. Pays to shop around. But the other bit of important paper that I've had, as you'll know if you've watched some of the older vlogs about my back and the ankylosing spondylitis and the tests and stuff that they've been going through, and I've got the green light, so all my bloods have turned out okay and everything else, and they're happy enough. So I'm getting these TNF, and I can't remember what it is. It's some big injection anyway. So I got my letter to go to Musgrave Park Hospital to go, and it says here it could take up to 6 hours, and I was just like, 6 hours? So I've got to be there early on Tuesday morning. Basically this new injection is a biological injection which will lower my immune system, which I'm very nervous about. I am extremely nervous about lowering my immune system. Apparently my immune system is very active. So these new injections, little bit scary, but yeah, that'll be happening on Tuesday. I'm not a huge fan of needles, but hey, you got to do these things, right? Now, as it is a really nice day, glasses are needed, car needs washed, so that's what I'm doing today. Down at my nephew's, and we've got the bike. I think it's going to get a little bit of a clean. The barbecue's getting done now. I don't want to show you my nephew at the minute because he's walking around half naked. It's a nice day. Don't think he heard me.
I needed an escape from the thoughts that were pulling me down. So I went singing from my drinking to be closer to the sky than the ground. The sun is beating heavy and it's mighty thirsty work outside. I keep forgetting all the lyrics, but the others sing the ones I can't find.
Okay, sorry about the bad lighting, but I've washed the car. It's been Roy's birthday. We've had his birthday party. A few clips of that. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Roy. Happy birthday to you.
And now it's currently just turned 20 to 4 in the morning, and me and Roy's still up. So although it's been Roy's birthday, I haven't been drinking, so I can drive. And sun's coming up.
Sun is coming up, but it doesn't even really get dark.
So we kind of figured we'll go somewhere and watch the sunrise. Maybe put the drone up and maybe just take some nice shots and maybe just enjoy it. The drone happens to be in the boot of the car because I had it earlier on. So continuing on with the vlog, let's go for a drive.
I'm burning off some brain cells, trying to make some room in my mind. I'm thinking to myself, you know I haven't done this in a long, long time. Nothing's gonna spoil my fun in the here and now. No, not even Mr. Dark Cloud rolling in hard from the south. comes a summer shower. And then the sky burst open and the rain came tumbling down.
Do I look tired?
Cold.
It's only like half 4 in the morning. Sun's coming out over there. It's pretty nice.
It's like winter.
Yeah, it's bitterly cold outside. But yeah, saying it's half 4 in the morning, and I think now is probably a good time. By the way, everybody in the comment section below, feel free to wish Roy happy birthday. He's as old as me now.
Still younger.
4 months.